I like to do gymnastics. And today I'm going to be showing you gymnastics moves.
First, JJ, why don't you tell us what you've got round your neck?
It's a medal. And I won second place in the gymnastics competition.
Wow, you must be really good. We can't wait to see your moves. What moves are you going to show us?
A bridge,
Yeah.
a split, a cartwheel, and a handstand. Make sure you're in a safe place to do this,
What?
so you don't want to get hurt.
Wow, that seems so cool. We can't wait to see your moves. Are you ready to show us?
Yeah!
Right, which one are you going to show us first?
The bridge.
The bridge, right. So here's how to do a bridge, guys. Take the medal off your neck whilst you show us how to do a bridge.
Here's how to do a bridge. First you lie down and then you bend your knees, then you put your hands next to your head and then we're going to count to 3 to lift up. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, look at that bridge. That looks so good. Thank you for showing us that.
Now I'm going to show you the cartwheel. I hope you're liking my gymnastics moves.
Yes, we are. What's next?
The split.
You're going to show us the split?
Yes.
Wow, go on then. Find the space. Wow. Let's zoom in on that.
Now I'm going to show you a handstand.
Okay, let's see.
Now I'm going to show you the cartwheel split.
Let's see. Wow. That was amazing. So you did 2 gymnastics moves in one.
Now I'm going to show you some more moves. Now I'm going to show you jumping jacks. I'm going to show you the pike. Now I'm going to show you the straddle. Now I'm going to show you the tuck. Now I'm going to show you a tuck jump. Thank you for watching my gymnastics moves. If you like my video, click like. And if you want to see more, click the subscribe button. Bye.